What if I told you that you could make an extra $500 every week without a boss, without a 9 to 5, and without any special skills? Seriously guys, $500 a week, that's an extra $2,000 a month straight to your pocket just by working from your laptop. Forget that soul-crushing job, ditch the commute, and say goodbye to answering to anyone but yourself. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact affiliate marketing method that is absolutely crushing it in 2024. We're talking step-by-step, no BS, just actionable strategies that you can use to start seeing those sweet, sweet affiliate commissions rolling in. Alright, let's dive right into the good stuff. The first step to crushing it with affiliate marketing is picking the right program. This is crucial, guys. You need to be strategic about this. You don't want to waste your time promoting products that nobody wants, or even worse, a program that has a low commission rate. Imagine putting in all that effort and seeing minimal returns. We're here to maximize those earnings, right? Every dollar counts, and you want to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. Now, there are tons of affiliate programs out there, but for beginners, I'm going to give you 3. That's right, 3 beginner-friendly programs that are practically guaranteed to make you money. These are tried and tested. And the best part? One of these bad boys pays up to a whopping 75% commission. That's almost unheard of in the industry. You heard me right, 75%. That's a game changer. That means for every $100 you generate in sales, you keep $75. Not bad, huh? Imagine the potential earnings. So what are these magical programs? You're probably on the edge of your seat right now. Well, I don't want to spoil the surprise just yet. Patience is key. Keep watching, and I'll reveal them all later in this video. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's going to be a game changer for your affiliate marketing journey. But before we move on, let's talk about why choosing the right program is so important. This is the foundation of your success. First off, you want a program that aligns with your interests and your audience. This makes your promotions more authentic and engaging. If you're passionate about something, it's going to show in your content, and people are going to be more likely to trust your recommendations. Passion is contagious. Second, you want a program that offers high-quality products or services. Quality matters. There's no point in promoting something that's going to leave your audience disappointed. That can damage your reputation. You want to build a reputation as a trustworthy source of information, and that means recommending products that you actually believe in. Trust is everything. Finally, and this is a big one, you want a program that offers competitive commissions and has a solid track record of paying its affiliates on time. Reliability is key. There are some shady programs out there, so do your research and make sure you're partnering with a reputable company. Your due diligence will pay off. Okay, so you've got your affiliate program locked and loaded. Now it's time to find your niche. Think of a niche as your specialty, your area of expertise, the thing that gets you fired up. It's where your passion meets profitability. It's that sweet spot where what you love intersects with what people are willing to pay for. Now, some of you might be thinking, Graham, I'm not passionate about anything, and to that I say nonsense. Everyone's passionate about something, whether it's gaming, cooking, travel, personal finance, or even collecting rubber ducks. Whatever floats your boat, there's a niche out there for you. The key is to identify what makes you excited and how you can share that excitement with others. But how do you find a niche that's not only interesting to you but also profitable? This is where the magic happens. That's where a little bit of market research comes in. You need to dig deep and understand what people are looking for and what problems they need solving. Don't worry, it's not as complicated or as boring as it sounds. In fact, it can be quite fun and enlightening. I'm going to let you in on a little secret weapon-free online tools. Yes, you heard that right. Free tools that can help you uncover hidden gems in the affiliate marketing world. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your research more effective. We're talking about tools like Google Trends, which shows you what people are searching for right now, and Answer the Public, which gives you a treasure trove of questions that people are asking online. And here's a hot tip for you. Green energy and AI tools are absolutely booming right now. These are areas with massive growth potential. People are looking for ways to save money on their energy bills and streamline their businesses with the power of AI. These niches are ripe for the picking. If you can tap into those niches, you're golden. But remember, it's not just about jumping on the latest trend, it's about finding something that resonates with you, but it doesn't have to stop there. The possibilities are endless. Think about what you're already good at or what you're interested in learning more about. Your existing skills and interests can be a goldmine. Maybe you're a fitness fanatic, a tech geek, or a makeup guru. Each of these niches has a dedicated audience. Whatever it is, there's an audience out there just waiting to hear your insights and recommendations. So go ahead, find your niche, and start making an impact. Now that you've got your niche on lock, it's time to start creating content that converts like crazy. And here's the best part. You don't need a fancy website or a big budget to get started. In fact, some of the most successful affiliate marketers out there are killing it using just two platforms, TikTok and Instagram Reels. That's right, those short attention-grabbing videos that you scroll through every day are a goldmine for affiliate marketing. Why? Because they're easy to create, they're fun to watch, and they have the power to reach millions of people organically. Think about it, people are scrolling through their feeds looking for entertainment, information, or a distraction from their day-to-day lives. If you can create content that grabs their attention, provides value, and subtly introduces them to a product or service that solves a problem they're having, you're well on your way to making a sale. So, what kind of content should you be creating? The key is to be engaging, informative, and entertaining. Don't just create a boring product review. Instead, tell a story, share your personal experience, or show how the product has benefited you. For example, let's say you're promoting a new fitness tracker. Instead of just listing its features, create a video of you using it during your workout, highlighting how it tracks your heart rate, calories burned, and sleep patterns. Or you could create a funny skit about how the tracker helps you stay motivated to exercise. The possibilities are endless. The key is to be creative, experiment with different formats, and find what works best for you and your audience. Okay, so you're creating killer content, driving traffic to your affiliate links, and starting to see those commissions roll in. But let's be real, managing all of this can be a full-time job in itself. Who has time to write product reviews, craft compelling emails, and come up with fresh content ideas day in and day out? Well, here's where things get really interesting. Remember when I said this video was about crushing it in 2025? Well, 2025 is all about working smarter, not harder, and that means leveraging the power of AI. That's right, artificial intelligence isn't just some futuristic concept anymore. It's here, it's now, and it's about to revolutionize the way you approach affiliate marketing. We're talking about AI tools that can write product reviews for you, craft compelling email sequences that convert like crazy, and even generate video scripts that are practically guaranteed to go viral. Imagine this, you wake up in the morning, check your affiliate dashboard, and see that you've already made $100 while you were sleeping. That's the power of automation, my friends. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, this sounds expensive. But guess what? There are tons of affordable AI tools out there that are specifically designed for affiliate marketers. In fact, some of them even offer free trials so you can test them out before you commit. So, how do you use AI to automate your affiliate marketing business? It's actually easier than you might think. Most AI tools are incredibly user-friendly, even if you're not tech-savvy. You simply input some basic information like your niche, your target audience, and the product you're promoting, and the AI does the rest. Alright, you got the basics down, you're starting to see some success, but now you want to kick it into overdrive and hit that $500 a week goal. Well, here's the secret sauce, the magic formula, the key to unlocking a whole new level of affiliate marketing domination. Once you're consistently making $50 a week, it's time to scale. And no, I'm not talking about climbing Mount Everest or anything like that. I'm talking about taking what's already working and multiplying it. This means doubling down on your most effective strategies. Remember those free traffic strategies we talked about earlier, like TikTok and Instagram Reels? Well, now it's time to start exploring paid advertising. Don't worry, it's not as scary or as expensive as it sounds. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram allow you to target your audience with laser precision, ensuring that your ads are seen by people who are actually interested in what you're promoting. This means higher engagement and better conversion rates. And the best part? You can start small and scale up gradually as you start to see results. This way, you can manage your budget effectively. But paid advertising isn't the only way to scale your affiliate marketing business. You can also start building an email list, which is a powerful tool for direct marketing. Partnering with other influencers in your niche, which can help you tap into new audiences, and even creating your own digital products. The key is to think big, be strategic, and never stop learning. Always be on the lookout for new trends and techniques. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. This will keep you competitive and relevant, and here's a bonus tip for you. Reinvest your earnings back into your business. Use that extra cash to invest in paid advertising, upgrade your tools and resources, or even hire a virtual assistant to help you manage the workload. This can free up your time to focus on strategy and growth. Remember, the more you put into your business, the more you'll get out of it. So set your sights high, work hard, and never give up on your dreams of achieving financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Your journey to success is just beginning. So there you have it, guys. The exact roadmap to earning an extra $500 per week with affiliate marketing in 2025. We've covered everything from finding the perfect program to automating your business with AI and scaling your earnings to the moon. Remember, this is a real opportunity to take control of your financial future and achieve the freedom and flexibility you've always dreamed of. But here's the catch. You have to take action. Knowledge without action is useless. Don't let this be another video that you watch and forget about. Start implementing these strategies today, and watch as your affiliate marketing business takes off. To help you get started, I put together a free list of 10 high-paying affiliate programs that are perfect for beginners. All you have to do to get your hands on this list is comment affiliate below, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. It's that easy. So what are you waiting for? Start building your affiliate marketing empire today.